Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. So today, I'm very much thankful to Supreme Lord Krishna. If we keep on hearing the lectures, then by hearing, there will be transformation. If we do not hear, then we do not change. So this knowledge of Vedic scriptures like Srimad Bhagvadgita and Srimad Bhagavatam are very much practical, and they actually change one's life. Because in this world, we see that there are so many people who speak on so many things, positive things, inspirational things, and which is okay, that is good. But the Shastra is very much unique, because actually it transforms the heart. It transforms the heart for a long time. If someone practices spirituality, then he will have a discipline, because you need to wake up early in the morning, chant the holy name of the Lord, do some yoga meditation, and in this way read the scriptures. So at first he is mentally in peace, because when you chant the mantra, manastrayate iti mantra, so when we chant the mantra Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. When we chant the mantra, it has the potential to calm the mind, to stabilize the mind. So Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So this one mantra has so much potential. This Hare Krishna Maha Mantra is that it will make our mind in peace, stable, calm, because mantra has power. So we wake up early in the morning, we worship the Lord in a prayerful condition. If a man is grateful or have gratitude, then he will have a humility. If one has humility, he will have gratitude. So these two things go side by side. And what we pray? We pray to the Lord that, oh Lord, you have provided me everything. So you are the only shelter. You gave me everything, which is perfectly alright. I am very much fortunate to have your darshan. So these prayers have so much power. If we take blessings and prayer have power. So if we take the blessings from the seniors, then that blessings will work. It will amazingly work. And we even do not know how amazing our life is running. And it is only by the prayers and blessings of our seniors. We are in Bhakti. We are practicing Bhakti. It's because of the prayer and blessings of our superiors. Our superiors, whether it may be our family or devotees, yes, because we are now, before coming to Bhakti, we were having food, we were being provided with the shelter. Yes, we should have gratitude to our parents, because somehow or other, coming into this moment, there is their role. Where is their role? If we had been in somewhere else, let's say in some capital country, then it's difficult there to come to practice Bhakti. Knowingly or unknowingly, they showed a path to bow down before the Lord, to worship the Lord, to pray the Lord. Yes, of course there was some motive behind, but it's all right. Okay. Yes, they showed us some way. They didn't knew that, yes, we have to worship the Supreme Lord Krishna. Yes, of course there was a condition like that, but no worries, but there is no harm. There is no harm, because that worship mentality is now changed for Krishna. Isn't it so? Do you agree? Yes. Because if once Radheshyam Prabhuji, one boy came in the temple to become a brahmachari, and he told Radheshyam Prabhuji that, yes, Prabhuji, I can be brahmachari because, when my father died, I didn't even cry. Yes, I'm so much detached like that. And Radheshyam Prabhuji told him that if you do not have love for father, then you don't have love for Krishna. Love is same, that loving nature. The nature is same. If you don't have even that nature, then it's very much difficult. Very much difficult. Yes. The Krishna consciousness means simply changing the consciousness. Changing the consciousness. Yes. From the object of enjoyment to object of belongingness, object of utilizing that thing in the service of the Lord. That is the difference. And Prabhupada most often used to say that Krishna consciousness means dovetailing. He used to, he quite often used this word of dovetailing. Dovetailing means like we are, there was one heavy statement of Srila Prabhupada that was very much heavy. for the devotee. Yes, Prabhupada used to say that eat for Krishna, sleep for Krishna, work for Krishna. Whatever you do, do it for Krishna. Then your life will be successful. Like that. No, he says. So what is that? What is the meaning of, Prabhupada, that statement? It means that we should engage our tana, mana, dhana. So everything has to be utilized for the sake of service to Supreme Lord Krishna. That is Krishna consciousness, he says. Yes. So the thing is that right now at this moment, it's very much difficult for us to develop those qualities. Do we eat for Krishna? Do we work for Krishna? Do we sleep for Krishna? No. So by somehow or other we have to utilize our senses. We have to utilize this human form of life. Human form of life for Krishna's sake. Krishna must be our one and only goal. And if something fits on that, then we should add. Otherwise, okay, I'm busy. Okay, I shall do this next time. After this year, that year. But usually we do not do that. Usually we postpone the Krishna consciousness. We do not postpone our material desires. That is the fact. Yes. In the name of Krishna consciousness, in the name of progressing in Krishna consciousness, we most often Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. In the name of a Krishna consciousness, we make excuses. We are aspiring to get the material things. Oh, it's so dangerous. It's so dangerous. Life after life, birth after birth, we never ever thought of Krishna. And this time, by the Krishna's and devotees' mercy, we are doing some service and still we want excuses. Still we do not want to do the seva that has been given to us. That is very much dangerous. That is very, very much dangerous situation. It's very much dangerous, because who knows what will happen to us after our death. Because we have to leave this place alone. Live this alone. There is no one coming with us. There is no one coming or following us after death. We should take our plane by own. So we should be very much serious on this matter. This is not a joke. We have to be in association with the devotees. That will help us. That will keep us reminding Krishna. right now at this youth, fresh youth, we don't think of Krishna. And then, isn't it so? Our mind can perceive, our mind can take, our mind can digest the philosophy, our mind can engage in the services. And if we engage in the services, then automatically, that kind of a things will automatically hover into our mind, isn't it so? For example, let's say you are studying and your exam is near. Then what you do? Then yes, you will prepare for exam. Even while sleeping, you think about that. You think about tomorrow's exam. How will I give the answers? So on and so forth. Isn't it so? Yes. So if you need to marry your daughter or marry yourself, then also you think, oh, I should invite this, that, and so many things, on the topic of marriage hover into your mind. But when it comes to Krishna consciousness, then we never think of, oh, I shall be doing for Krishna. Okay, for Krishna I have to do this, that. No, it's difficult. Hare Krishna, Mataji, mo hindi aaye bo. So it's very difficult, isn't it? Very difficult. Very, very difficult, in this childhood, in this youth age, we do not remember Krishna, then when our mind is dull like a stone, do not have any potency to do any service, then how can we think of Supreme Lord Krishna? Oh, it's very difficult. Very difficult. It's very much difficult. So from our early days, we should practice. We should pray to the Lord. Oh Krishna, may I remember you always. May I never forget you. May I always be in association with devotee. May I be humble and meek. May I do something for your pure devotees like Srila Prabhupada. We should have this mood. We should develop this mood. But what our mind says, you should calm, you should relax. You are a senior, you are that and this. What is this? Nonsense. So if we want Krishna, we have to be serious. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki